When do workers' compensation checks start in North Carolina? A common question after a workplace injury is, when do workers' compensation checks begin? In many cases, wage replacement benefits start after an injured worker has been out of work for more than 7 days due to the injury. This is sometimes referred to as the waiting period. If the disability lasts more than 21 days, then the workers' compensation system may also allow for payment for that initial 7-day period. Before payments begin, the insurance company typically reviews the case to determine whether the injury is accepted under North Carolina workers' compensation law and whether the injured worker is medically unable to work. Once the claim is accepted, the worker qualifies for disability benefits, and these payments are usually made on a weekly basis. In summary, the timing of workers' compensation checks in North Carolina often depends on how long the injured worker is out of work and how the claim is handled by the insurance company.